Good evening, everyone. Today our topic is a beggar can't be a chooser. So I have two ways to explain it. At first, I'd like to say that when we depend on others, we should not be too selective or demanding. Even when we are depend on others, if we are choosing that I'm not selecting this and I'm select that, that is that shows some disrespectness to other. In real life, choices linked with three things: one, power; two, independence; and three, resources. If we are a beggar who is symbolizes who lacks these. So for me, if we depend on others, then show some it teaches us, this proverb teaches us to be practical, thankful, and it reminds us that choices are choices come with self-reliance. And when we are begging, and when I'm talking about a beggar, then there are not any choices. We should accept that. And in the other hand, if someone is giving food to a beggar, then a beggar may refuse the if he or she is giving a spoiled food to a beggar, then he or she may refuse it, because a beggar can't be chosen. That's right, it's not being choosy. This food can harm their health. It's their self-respect. It's their question of their survival. So he or she can refuse the food. So it's not being choosy and I'm a beggar, I can accept all the things. That is not that. There are many NGOs, they are giving us more skill development training, more food choices, because choices are empowers people. So for me, this proverb is more practical, and more practical to truth, teaches us a more practical lesson of our life. But not it should not be treated as a universal truth. We always have some question, and we always have some option to accept it or to not accept it.
Okay. When you get anything, instead of doing nothing, that is also begging, right? Okay, you are getting something
Yes.
without doing any kind of jobs, any kind of thing. So it is also begging to you. You are also begging.
Begging to whom?
No, you are just getting everything without doing anything, right?
Yes. We all are living this life right now because we are not earning. We are depending on our parents. We are not earning. So at that time, I'm a beggar also. If I think in that way, I'm a beggar, because I am totally dependent on my parents to fulfill my basic necessities, like my food, my clothes, my shelter, all the things. Then I'm a beggar right now.
Okay, do you have any other points?
No.
So why do you call yourself a beggar?
Because
You are
he
discharging
actually,
your duties as a student.
yes.
Because you are now living the life of a student. And in the life of a student, the prime duty is to study.
Yes.
You are not a person evading that. You are studying. So why do you call yourself a beggar?
He told me that you are doing nothing and getting all the things
So you are
from
doing
someone.
something. You are studying. You are studying, very seriously studying.
Yes.
In order that you can, of course, make a good career for yourself.
Yes.
So you are working hard. Why do you call yourself a beggar?
Because, sir, I'm not.
And your success will, of course, make your father and mother very happy.
Yes, sir, obviously.
And for that reason only, they are now serving you.
Yes, sir.
So why do you call yourself a beggar? I couldn't understand that particular part.
Beggar means I am not fulfilling my necessities in my earnings. They are
What is the
fulfilling
duty of a student's life?
to study.
You are fulfilling that. You are discharging your duties.
Yes, sir.
So you are saying that I am not discharging my duty. You are doing everything.
Yes, sir. But I am giving my point that if doing nothing and getting all the privilege from other people, then if I think that way, then we all are right now in that stage of life that we are doing nothing.
The studying is not asked.
Yes, sir. Obviously,
Then why are you saying, why are you repeatedly
We-
using the word nothing?
nothing means I mean that
Your
it's
parents have put you to a school.
yes.
Now it is your parents' duty, of course, to provide you with what you need.
Yes.
So for that reason, they are doing this. They are discharging their duties simply.
Yes, sir.
And you are also discharging your duties as a student.
Yes.
It is reciprocal. Why do you call yourself a beggar there? Why do you underestimate yourself? Only earning money is the work.
No, obviously not.
So say for example, your mother is not earning money, but she is taking care of the kitchen. She is taking care of the household. Your father is earning money. You
Yes.
call your mother a beggar?
No.
That, in your sense, she is doing nothing. She is discharging her duties as a wife.
Yes.
Explain,
Obviously,
please. Why do you call yourself a beggar? Or you are saying that all the students present in this room are beggars?
No, not beggars or not that way. I told that I'm not earning yet. That's why I am dependent on my parents to fulfill my basic necessities. So that's why I'm telling him that I'm a beggar in that way. If we are thinking in that way, that
Why do you put your food in?
sorry, sir.
You put your food into the stomach.
Yes, sir.
Stomach is getting the real enjoyment of the food. Now, if your hands say that we are eating nothing, the stomach is eating everything. The stomach is relishing the food. So we will do nothing. If your hands stop doing something, and if your legs say, oh my God, we are doing nothing, we are getting nothing, we are only working. The stomach is taking all the food. Will your body be run properly?
No.
Will there be the coordination between organs? Will not be. So this is just like that. This is a kind of body. Family is a kind of body. So in a family there are many members, and each member has a certain duty.
Yes, sir.
Not everybody goes to earn money. So only earning money is not regarded as work. All the other things that you do, all the other members of the family do, are also regarded as work.
Yes, sir.
Explain the other point.
No, they are not beggars at all. If we live in a family, then all the members are going to work to earning money is not the only reality of life.
Now
Is
come
it?
to the point.
Yes, sir.
Do you think beggars can be choosers?
Can be choosers? No, sir. They
Can't be
can't.
choosers.
They can't be chooser if they if they think that anyone doing something wrong to him or her, they are protesting it and they should refuse it, but they are not be choosy that I want this, not that.
So are we in sync with the topic?
Yes, sir.
Thank you very much.